What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Enki Elixir before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Enki Elixir works. What is Enki Elixir? Enki Elixir is a natural supplement designed to support mental clarity, focus, and overall well-being. It combines a blend of potent ingredients, including Eleuthero Root, Ladies Mantle Herb, Sacred Licorice Root, and pure peppermint oil, each known for its unique health benefits. Roothelps reduce stress and improve cognitive function. Mantle Herb promotes vitality and balance. Licorice Root boosts energy and supports stress management. Oilaids and digestion and enhances mental clarity. Together, these ingredients work synergistically to help you feel more focused, energized, and aligned with your healthiest self. How does Enki Elixir works? Enki Elixir works by combining the natural properties of its ingredients to support mental clarity, focus, energy, and overall well-being. Here is how each key ingredient contributes to its effectiveness. Eleuthero Root, as an adaptogen, Eleuthero Root helps the body manage stress and fatigue. It enhances cognitive function, boosts energy, and promotes mental clarity, making it easier to stay focused and sharp throughout the day. Ladies Mantle Herb, known for its healing and balancing properties, Ladies Mantle Herb helps promote overall vitality. It supports the immune system, reduces inflammation, and aids in maintaining a healthy balance in the body, contributing to improved well-being. Sacred Licorice Root, Licorice Root works to regulate cortisol levels, which can help manage stress. It also provides a natural energy boost, helping you feel more energized and focused without the crash that often comes from stimulants like caffeine. Pure peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is known for its digestive soothing effects. It supports better digestion and relieves discomfort, while also stimulating the mind, helping to improve focus, concentration, and mental clarity. Together, these ingredients create a balanced formula that enhances mental clarity, reduces stress, boosts energy, and supports overall health, helping you stay focused and aligned with your best self.